Okay, hi everybody. I'm going to show how to use Chat GPT to generate multiple choice questions. So I'm going to go and open up Chat GPT, which is here, which people are familiar with. And then I'm going to go to this open education resource where I've written one of the chapters for an introduction to criminology. And it's a good passage to copy and paste because it's only the beginning of that chapter, and it's just a few paragraphs. So there, I'll just copy that. I'm going to go back in, and then I will say in the Chat GPT window, I will say, please write 3 multiple choice questions and answers. Please provide an explanation for each answer. Here is the text. And then I just paste it in, and then I hit enter. And depending on how loaded or overloaded the server is, it starts writing the questions. Okay, so that's not exactly what I wanted, because it's not creating a list of multiple choice. But that's a good example of how sometimes, depending on your prompt, Chat GPT doesn't do exactly what you want. So let's try again. I'm going to say, please write 3 multiple choice questions and answers based on the following text. Maybe it prefers that phrasing. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, so that's closer, I think, to what I was hoping to share. So it's actually writing multiple choice questions, and then it's giving you the answer underneath. So it's for the case of the text that I pasted in, which is about race and racism, it says, what's the main idea of the text? Number 1, A, race is a natural category, B, race is social construct, so on and so forth. And then it tells you the answer, race is a social construct. There you go. So there you go. So there's an example of how to use Chat GPT to generate multiple choice questions. You can also say, those were too easy. Can you make them more tricky? And yeah, sure. Here's 3 more difficult multiple choice questions based on that. So it doesn't see that as difficult, and you can keep talking to it and asking and reiterating and changing the prompt and engineering the prompt better to get what you want. So that's very easy, as you can see, to write multiple choice questions, and they're quite exact. The grammar and the diction is quite good, and if you read and if you try it for yourself, you'll see that the questions are quite strong.